Alright. Show everybody what you found.
Well, there are hair particles in the fridge. And they are not animal, they are human.
Well, there's some animal in there too.
Yeah, There's long hairs.
Okay, show them the sticky stuff.
And then here's the icky, gooey, sticky stuff. Gooey. Look at all that.
Peel some more off.
And I don't know what it is, but it's sticky and gooey, and let's go for it.
I wish you could get one of those big gooey things like you did before. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh, let's go brown. Oh, sick. Oh, gross. Oh. Hey, oh, Mom's caramel.
It kind of smells like caramel too, I guess.
Does it really? It's gross. Oh. Oh, light's dying. I think the light burnt out. You're just twisting it. That is so gross. There's molding down there in the bottom.
Yeah, it's all green.
Oh, that's sick. Oh. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, yeah, what is that? Was it candy?
We should eat some.
No, I'm not gonna eat it. Smell it. Tell me what it smells like.
You smell it. Does it smell like caramel?
It smells like syrup.
Oh, maybe it's syrup.
What do we have? Leaking bottles. Oh. Well, it looked like it dripped down from there. That's just gross.
Get off.
But hey, we got this clean, and top microwave clean, and top of, well, there's stuff in the microwave out there now, but that's clean. So yeah. Yeah.
So we're
I'm just washing these out though, okay? Yeah.